We are back. We are back once more again. I tell you, man. I tell you, never gets old. No.
I love your page, dude.
Thanks, guy. I don't know who that was. Just some random dude. Thanks, guy. Damn, dude, that guy's a really big fucking fan. We got a lot to do today. We gotta prepare for SEMA next year because looks like my build qualifies greatly for SEMA. Seeing all the builds that were there, I for sure. Oh shit! Damn, SEMA, here we come. 2024. Yup, I'm coming for you. S2000 will be in there. Maybe once we're done with this, we're really gonna get going on the Beamer, because I know that's something that also people wanna see. Boom, there we go. Whew. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny back at it again, you guys. S2000 for sure, 100%. We have to finish it today, no matter what. This is gonna be my little mini challenge that I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna build this. The cover, the whole cover just came off. The whole S2000. I'm not leaving this place till I finish this car, cause I'm tired. I'm tired of it. Like, it needs to get done. Like, it just needs to get done. So I'm not leaving. This is gonna be my mini challenge. I'm not leaving till I finish building my fucking car. Why? Because it needs to get fucking done. Let's get to it. This cover back on. People are gonna see the ugliness of the S2000. This is like the makeup for it. We're gonna do, first and foremost, we gotta take it out of its motor mounts again, because I gotta raise it up, because I forgot to put in the, where's it at? I forgot to install the crank wheel. It's somewhere. It's over there in my other car, actually. I forgot to install the crank wheel. Do that, take it off its stands, take it off its motor mounts, and then, once again, this is the hard part, because I was supposed to do that before putting on the headers. Now the headers are on, because one of the bolts is really long, so it kind of like fucks everything up pretty bad. So we're gonna see if we can just take off one and then work with that. So let's get to it. That's such a Alright, you guys, I think it's time to start it up once again. And like always, for me, these are scary moments, just because anything can happen. I could have put on something wrong. I could have done it something like, you don't want to think of the negative, but it's just something that happens. I'm gonna put on this air filter, and then just so it doesn't suck up anything crazy, even though I don't have that much power. And I think it's time. My heart is beating like crazy right now, like crazy. It's just, they're scary moments. And like I said, I lost my oil cap. Not unless it's in here somewhere, but I lost it. Let me connect this back. It's connected back. I guess not much left but to do it. Oh, I might need some help. Yep, battery's gonna be dead. Okay. Cross our fingers, cross our fingers. Started a little bit, but we're having a little bit of trouble getting her going. Let me tighten this up because it's not tightened all the way. See that? Let me disconnect the airbag in the back. Alright, so I went to go get a bigger, a better jumper cable with more power because the last one I had didn't have any power. So we're gonna go ahead and try one more time. See how this works. Trying to get the best power out of this possible. 14 volts. Alright. You guys, let's go at it again. I'm hearing the little pops and bangs, but nothing's going. Let me unlock it, supposedly, because it needs to be unlocked. Let me let it start up a little bit. Let me let it get some juice. And then, voila. See that? All right. So that's what's going on. And then we're gonna clean up. If it doesn't go through, we're gonna clean up and then we'll see where we go from there. But you guys, like I said, remember the challenge. I'm not leaving here till I'm not leaving this area till I get this thing going. 100%. Alright. I hear my pump prime, okay? Let's hit it. Oh, almost started right there. Almost started right there. Alright. So, I'm gonna go charge this stuff. And then I'm gonna come back out when it's at 100. And then we're gonna hit it again. We're gonna go at it again. And I'm gonna clean up everything so it's not so messy. Let me do that. Alright guys. So I got it all charged up. Let's go ahead and give this one more go. This thing is at 100%. 100%. Oh shit. can hear it crank like it wants to go. I don't think there's any. I don't know what other issue I can have. As far as that goes, I mean, I could probably have no gas in here, but I should have a good amount of gas. I should have a good amount of gas. I should have like at least 5 gallons in there, which should be enough to get this thing going. I know I have that in there because yeah, you guys, I lost the fucking cap. I don't know how. I don't know how. No, it sucks because like before it would start, now it's just like not starting. Before it did start, there was a fuse that was blown, but I highly doubt that's the issue again. Fuck. Okay, let me check that fuse and let me get back to it. All right, we put some gas in this bitch. Here we go. One more time. Ah, fuck. I put a gallon of gas. A gallon of gas that I didn't have, but someone had. And I was able to give me some. So, let's see where this goes. See where it goes. Ready? Ready. All right, you guys. So I had a little bit of help from Josh and we weren't able to get it going. It sounds like it wants to start, but it's not kicking. So obviously where he's saying it sounds like it's a fuel issue. Seems to him like it's a fuel issue. We checked the fuel pump primes. We checked the fuel going all the way through. It's like squirts out and whatnot. The injectors were kind of squirting. I don't know. We're gonna have to see. He thinks it's a cause because of old fuel, but I don't know. It's hard to say. And then we need to check to see if the injectors are injecting. I mean, the spark plugs are sparking. Coil packs are good. Like we kind of just need to check everything again. Because this time it doesn't want to kick start. Why, I'm not exactly sure. We're gonna have to solve it, figure it out. I also checked the fuses. Everything was good, just from like the first time, because that was the main thing from the first time I checked the fuses. The fuses are fine. Everything that we've checked seems normal. My only other concern would be timing. I highly doubt it, just because I like it's the same as the first time. Everything kind of just line it up how it's supposed to go. Gold where goes where gold, like everything's just going where it's supposed to be. Even then, I don't know if it have an issue starting up, because I think it start up but it have an issue, like you know what I'm saying. So I don't know, I'm gonna investigate more, see what's going on. I don't know, we're gonna see. So other than that, you guys, I'm not done yet. This is the mini challenge. Like I said, we're gonna get this bitch started for sure. Stay tuned.